naman siguro masarap. The price kasi is big difference din in the Philippines. So, I got the custard French. Kasi kakalagay lang. Is the nuts, strawberry. Pero parang gusto kong i-try ito. Parang the chocolate crispy. Hindi po naman sila maliliit. Oh my gosh. Ano yung isa? Sige, let's try this one. I think looks good. And found it. The Mr. Donut. So usually hindi ko siya tinatry sa Q's or dun sa Manila. Kasi dahil masarap na donut sa Philippines. I'm a fan of Jayco. Pero let's try. Let's see yours. You go get strawberry for dad. Oh, ang dami nga nilang variants here. In fairness, from Mr. Donut here. Yeah, the Ponde Chocolate Lele. Charot lang. So, trying Mr. Donut. Then here at HSR. Then we'll see if it's yummy. So, we're going back to Kaohsiung to continue our travel here at HSR. Trying this Mr. Donut. This is nag-range ng 49 MTV. This one is 69 MTV, so it's like 130-ish, 100 plus in peso. Worth it ba? It's not for me. Parang marami donuts. Charot lang. Masarap siya, but I will still go for Jayco and then Choco Butternut. There. Pero masarap naman. Ayun lang. Going back to Kaohsiung. So this is HRS on a day time. And so diba last time pumunta kami ng Taipei from Kaohsiung via HRS. This time nabili kami sa Kaohsiung. Look at their mineral water. It's cute. And a souvenir from Taipei. From Jufin. Hi. So we're arriving at 2:30. Sakto lang for our accommodation sa Amazon. So I'll celebrate my birthday in Kaohsiung. After, ayun pala yung Taichung guys, ito Taichung. Kasi yung HRS. It is one way of you commuting, going to one place to another for places here in Taiwan. If you want to save time, kasi pag bus matagal, medyo costly nga lang siya. For example, per person namin from Taipei to Kaohsiung, not premium, that's 2-3. One ride yun. So imagine yung balikan, that's 4-6. So para din kami nag-train. Pero worth it naman. So yun. Bye!
Follow for more.